Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kirti if you are new here, and this video is going to be like an internet made me buy it video because I've been seeing everyone making one of these and मेरे Instagram पे खुद भी काफ़ी सारी ads आते रहती हैं from different clothing brands. So I thought कि let's give it a try क्योंकि Zara H&M से let's be honest everyone is bored at this point. Like I think बहुत ज़्यादा repetitive हो गया उनका designs and the फिट के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज होती हैं लाइक स्पेशली फॉर माई बॉडी टाइप. इफ़ यू आर पेयर शेप लाइक मी आई थिंक फिट में बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज होती हैं एंड एवरीथिंग एंड इट्स वेरी रेपिटेटिव एट दिस पॉइंट उनके डिज़ाइन. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट गिव सम इंडियन ब्रांड्स अ चांस. सो आई हैव ऑर्डर क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम 6 इंडियन ब्रांड्स जो कि मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे यूं ही फीड में एड में आती रहती हैं. एंड सम ऑफ द ब्रांड्स आई लाइक्ड बट सम ऑफ द ब्रांड्स आई डिड नॉट. आई विल गिव यू एन ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन ऑब्वियसली. सो या आई विल बी डूइंग फ्रॉम द लीस्ट एक्सपेंसिव टू द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव. सो दैट्स द ऑर्डर वी आर गोइंग. सो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट ब्रांड आई हैव लिटिल बॉक्स जो कि आई थिंक सबने सुना होगा इस ब्रांड का नाम. वो लोग आई थिंक शार्क टैंक में भी आए थे इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. सो आई हैव 2 टॉप्स एंड 1 ड्रेस फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पीस. सो दिस इज लाइक अ वाइट टॉप एंड ये रिप मटेरियल में, इट्स कॉटन एंड यहाँ पे एक फेक कॉर्सेट का इन्होंने एक इल्यूजन दिया है सॉर्ट ऑफ, बट ये कॉर्सेट है नहीं ऑब्वियसली. देयर इज नो बोनिंग एंड एनीथिंग एंड दिस इज हाउ द फर्स्ट टॉप लुक्स लाइक. आई जस्ट गो वेयर इट एंड कम बैक एंड शो इट टू यू गाइज दैट हाउ इट लुक्स. दिस इज हाउ द टॉप लुक्स इन ट्राई on and I think it looks pretty cute and full sleeves है and it's very soft and like cozy material. I think आप लोग थोड़ी सी गर्मी वाले सीजन में भी इसको पहन सकते हैं because it's very breathable and very nice and kudos for that. So this was for 699 and Little Box में हमेशा ही कॉम्बो वाले सेल्स चलते रहते हैं as far as I have seen. So buy 2 tops and ऐसे करके buy 2 tops for 999 and buy 2 dresses for like certain price, ऐसा कुछ सेल चलता रहता है कॉम्बो वाला. So I think that's better but ये तो मैंने सिंगल ही मंगाया था. This is a tie up डिटेल जिसको क्या फिट कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से एंड दिस इज हाउ द नेक लुक्स. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस टॉप, काफी मॉडेस्ट है मेरे अकॉर्डिंग. सो या so this is how the next top looks like and I feel like काफी ज़्यादा like revealing है ये. I don't like this much. मतलब I'm not comfortable with showing this much skin. So yeah, I just don't like it for that point. बाकी तो if you're like small chested you can definitely get this for yourself. काफ़ी cute है but हाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्मी भी लग रही है मेरे को इसमें and this was for I think 799 only. सेल में मिला था मेरे को ये भी. लाइक द फैब्रिक इज कम्प्लीटली पॉलिएस्टर. काफ़ी क्यूट लग रहा है, काफ़ी अच्छा भी लग रहा है. बाकी तो प्रिंट एंड एवरीथिंग. ऑफकोर्स आई कैन वेयर लाइक अ स्लिप इन साइड एंड देन वेयर इट बट ऐसे तो आई विल नॉट बी कंफर्टेबल गोइंग आउट. सो या दैट्स दैट. बाकी आई लाइक दिस टॉप और तो क्या ही बोलूँ, इट्स लाइट वेट एंड एवरीथिंग बट इट इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट फॉर समर्स. कीप दैट इन माइंड. सो या सो फॉर द थर्ड पीस I have ordered this white sundress from Little Box and this was not that cheap. It was for 1800 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that was the price and मेरे को उतने अच्छे से fit ये नहीं हो रहा है. Sadly, I'll have to go get it altered from a tailor or something probably. I'll just go try it on for you guys and be back. This is how the dress is looking on. So I'm not that happy about the fit of this dress because the price is not that less. It's for 1800 after discount and I don't know, I'm just not liking the fit. Also one problem that I find with Little Box is that they give this very long tie up. I don't know why. थोड़ा छोटा कर सकते थे इसको. ये पूरा लंबे नीचे तक आता है. आई डोंट नो कितना इतना लंबा क्यों दिया हुआ है ये. बट देन दैट्स दैट. ऑल्दो इट इज कॉटन एंड इट्स कंफर्टेबल एंड एवरीथिंग बट स्टिल आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक हाउ दिस फिट्स एंड सिट्स ऑन माई बॉडी पर्सनली. ऑल्सो लिटिल बॉक्स का आई डिड नॉट लाइक द रिटर्न एंड एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी. पर्सनली मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुआ. आई वॉज इनिशियली थिंकिंग टू रिटर्न दिस ड्रेस बट देन मैंने देखा कि वहाँ पे रिटर्न का ऑप्शन था ही नहीं एंड ऑल्सो एक्सचेंज के लिए भी आई हैड टू लाइक रेज अ क्वेरी और समथिंग. 1 वीक का ही टाइम देते हैं वो लोग 7 days का एंड उस टाइम पे व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू रिटर्न एक्सचेंज दिस तो यहाँ पे मेरा ऑर्डर डिलीवर्ड दिखाई नहीं रहा था. आई ऑल्सो ट्राइड कॉन्टैक्टिंग देयर टीम और समथिंग बट देन देयर वर नो रिप्लाईज. आई डोंट नो, द सर्विस वॉज वेरी pathetic I would say. I did not like it. So for the next brand we are going to be talking about a brand that is very very cute. Like unka aesthetics and everything I really like. So I'm talking about Neff's Find if you haven't heard it up until now. So I saw this brand obviously on my Instagram ads only and I followed them क्योंकि मेरे को काफ़ी पसंद आया. अभी तो कल ही उनका I think spring collection भी launch हुआ है and the designs are very pretty, like very summer and cottage core and very like Pinteresty Carrie Bradshaw designs है उनके. So I really liked everything about that brand. So I did order like 2 tops and 1 accessory from them and yeah, I'll show you guys. I have ordered like this black top जो ऐसे आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा बिकॉज मेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा था कल. सो दिस इज लाइक अ वन शोल्डर टॉप एंड यहाँ दोनों साइड से इसको इस साइड पे टाई अप करना है. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. बाय द वे एवरीथिंग इज इन एक्सेल इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. या दिस ब्रांड्स आई ऑर्डर्ड एवरीथिंग इन एक्सेल क्योंकि मैंने साइज एंड मेजरमेंट्स देखा. सो द डिलीवरी टाइम इन दिल्ली वॉज लाइक 5 days. I'll just go quickly try it on and then show you guys how does it. This is how the top looks like after I put it on. It was definitely a bit of struggle to put it on. By the way, this is like that thin polyester fabric. काफी comfortable and breathable I feel like, and it is looking very cute मेरे according to though. But I was scared of a bit of a wardrobe malfunction इसमें, but I don't think so ऐसा कुछ होगा. I really like the fit and everything. I really like how it's looking on my body, and I think like कि for a like nice party or something, or like शाम में अगर आप dinner पे जा रहे हो or somewhere like that, this top would look so pretty and perfect. So yeah, that's how I like it. Going on towards the next piece that I ordered from this brand is this very funky print top. I don't know इस print को क्या बोलते हैं. So this has like very cool print going on all over, and मेरे पास इतना colorful and इतना ज़्यादा printed कुछ भी नहीं है I think मेरे wardrobe में. So I thought why not give it a try. This was also for 999, and yeah, I really liked the top. So when I saw it on the website and on the model, I thought कि ये जो stretchable वाला material होता है उसमें होगा, but this came in satin, and although satin का quality and everything is really nice, it's really shiny and pretty I feel like, and काफ़ी soft भी है. But I haven't tried it up until now. ये भी ऐसे tie up top ही है, like पीछे करके इसको tie up कर सकते हैं. And as I saw on the website, this top could be worn 2 ways. Like आप इसको आगे से भी पहन सकते हो obviously ऐसे करके, and then आप पीछे से भी इसको if you are on a beach or something you can wear it like a bralette. So this is the coverage that you are supposed to get अगर आप पीछे से पहनते हो, which is pretty good for like even an XL size. I'm not personally comfortable wearing it like that. I'll just go try it on for you guys and be back. So this is how the top looks like after I've put it on, and I think it looks I don't know, nice, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. As you can see इसका sleeve अपने आप ही नीचे आ रहा है. I don't know how they have stitched it or something. Maybe it's something about that. By the way, ये quad set में था, इसका एक skirt भी था which I did not order क्योंकि मेरे को लगा ज़्यादा experimental हो जाएगा, and I think I was right. So because of the sleeve, so the sleeve is stitched like here, you know, दोनों स्ट्राइप जो है यहाँ पे स्टिच करा है, उसके कारण ये मेरे को थोड़ा चुभ भी रहा है, एंड ये मेरे शोल्डर पे ढंग से टिक भी नहीं रहा है. लाइक ये बार बार नीचे आ रहा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोना बी वेयरिंग इट लाइक इफ आई एम गोइंग आउट और समथिंग. सो आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी कीपिंग दिस टॉप. So for the accessory that I was talking to you guys about, जो कि मैंने इस ब्रांड से ऑर्डर करा है, so I really like the belts and the bags that they had on their website. So I was scrolling through the bags. मेरे को bags तो लेना था नहीं, so I did not. I controlled myself. I did like 1 or 2 piece, but then still I controlled myself. But I did get a belt जो कि मैं काफ़ी टाइम से ढूंढ रहे थे हम, और मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा था. Although yeah, I did see it on Amazon, but मेरे को exactly यही belt चाहिए था. Like this is the vision that I had. So this is how the belt looks like. This is the buckle, काफ़ी अच्छे क्वालिटी का है, like काफ़ी मोटा and अच्छा metal क्वालिटी का है. And this is how the belt. So it's this shiny snake fake leather or something like that. Yeah, and belt के इस end पे भी they have given like this metal detailing which is really pretty. I really feel like ये जो छोटी छोटी detailings होती हैं that makes the product and the feel really good. This is how the belt looks like. I did find Terra Active का pieces बहुत ही cute था मेरे according. So I ended up ordering this white full sleeve top which has a thumb hole in it. So it's very sporty, and they were claiming that even if this gets like भींग जाता है, तुम swim करने गए हो या तुम ऐसी बीच के पास गए हो, ये अगर गीला भी हो जाता है, still it will dry out in like 10 minutes. I have not tested that theory out obviously, but still I like the fit and everything. It's very pretty, the white top, and I think in general भी बिना sports के भी I can wear it and go out and everything. So I've been seeing a lot of skirts, like I have been seeing a lot of girls wearing skirt to the gyms and things like that. So I was very soon by it, and I have been also playing badminton these days. So I thought why not go give a skirt a try कि बैडमिंटन खेलते हुए या स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हुए if you are looking cute, I think उससे बेटर कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. So I did ended up ordering this pink skirt from Terra Active, and it's like this flared skirt. It's very cute. I think इसको बिना स्पोर्ट्स के भी तुम बाहर जाते हुए भी पहन सकते हो, and it has a underneath shorts obviously for the utility of the skirt, and with that they have given this like pouch kind of detailing जिसको कि तुम यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो, and you can like carry very small 2-3 चीज़ें, like अगर तुमको थोड़ा सा कैश रखना है कुछ भी, तो I think it would be perfect for it. And yeah, So I'll just go try this whole fit for you guys and be back in a second. This is how the whole thing looks like after putting it on. So this is how the top looks like. I think fit and everything is really cute. But मेरे को लगता है कि थोड़ी गर्मी लगेगी इसमें. But let's see, they have claims that this top is super breathable. I'll have to test it out जब थोड़ा और गर्मी बढ़ जाता है. तो अभी तो I am feeling comparatively गर्म इसमें. And yeah, for the next brand, I ordered from this brand. I think सबने ही ad देख लिया होगा अभी तक इस brand का तो. So there's this brand called Basata. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Basata, that's what we're gonna say. इस piece का ad तो सबने ही देख लिया होगा. So this is a 3-piece set. इसमें एक ब्लू ऐसा करके स्कर्ट आता है जो कि ऐसे करके शेडेड है, लाइक ऊपर से लाइट ब्लू होते होते नीचे जाते जाते डार्क ब्लू हो जाता है ये. एंड दिस स्कर्ट ऑल्सो लाइक हैज अ स्लिट नीचे की साइड पे. या विद दैट दे हैव गिवन लाइक दिस ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप जो कि ऐसा दिखता है एंड इट्स रियली क्यूट. इसको पीछे से यू कैन ऑब्वियसली टाई इट अप एंड उसके साथ साथ दे हैव गिवन लाइक दिस dupatta which is so 2000s. like if you have grown up watching Rani Mukherjee, Preeti Zinta, people like them wearing lehenga or kurta, things like that. Even with a dress they used to wear like a small dupatta and it used to look so cute. So that was the vibe जो कि ये इस वाले पूरे set से मेरे को आया. And once I put it on you will definitely see the appeal and the vision that I saw in this one. When I was wearing just the top dupatta with like a jeans, it was still looking dapper. So yeah, I'll just go try it on and be back. Wait. This is how the set looks like after putting it on. I know you guys can't see the skirt. Obviously, I'll put on a try on clip up here somewhere. I feel like this color, oh my god, looks so pretty on me. मेरे को ये कलर इतना प्यारा लग रहा है मेरे ऊपर. I feel like मैंने पता नहीं क्यों ये कलर कभी भी इसके पहले ट्राई नहीं करा है. I have never had anything of this color because मेरे को ये ब्लू पसंद ही नहीं था, like light blue, फिरोजी blue, whatever this is called. But I feel like this looks really cute on me. I'm so much in love. So this was for I think 2900 the whole set. I feel like कि फैब्रिक थोड़ा और बेटर क्वालिटी का हो सकता था फॉर द प्राइस पॉइंट, बट स्टिल आई डू लाइक द कलर फिट एवरीथिंग ऑन माई सेल्फ. आई डू सी माई सेल्फ वेयरिंग इट एंड स्टाइलिंग इट in like different ways. So I'm really okay with the price and paying whatever they're asking. It's so weird, but then I just love it. I just totally am head over heels about this outfit. It's so cute, so demure, so pretty. Like it is literally my 2000s dream coming true. Like मेरे को अगर Bollywood era का एक face सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, that is the 2000s clothing and everything. And this is literally that. So I have no complaints except for the fabric. थोड़ा better हो सकता था fabric, but still. कि अगर तुम Instagram पे हो and if you are not living under a rock, you might have heard about this brand. So I'm talking about Leah Clothing and I have the most prettiest corset from them. So मैंने यहाँ से एक ही सामान मंगाया because बहुत expensive था. Let's be real. This was for around 3800 or 4K. Please pardon me if I am like telling the prices wrong because you can obviously go down in the description, click on the link and check for yourself कि अभी क्या prices चल रहा है. This is how the corset looks like. And इसके side में ना, of course this is a corset they have given like proper boning and everything. And this is so like cathedral, angelic corset. Like I can see myself wearing this in like Paris. Oh my god, this is my dream. I just want to go to Paris someday and wear this corset with like a white pajama. It would look so cute, right? I've seen people wearing clothes like that in Paris, like going to a cathedral and I'm wearing this outfit. I will just love it. I feel like. So yeah, that's how the corset looks like. I'll definitely try this out for you guys. And पीछे से वही cinching वाला चीज दिया हुआ है. And one thing I really like about this corset is that कि ऐसा नहीं कि like बहुत सारे corset में वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि आगे ऐसे print दे देते हैं and पीछे पूरा plain कपड़ा लगा देते हैं. But इन्होंने ऐसा नहीं करा है. इन्होंने sleeve पे भी वही printed कपड़ा दिया है and पीछे भी they have put like this सेम प्रिंट का कपड़ा एंड बस साइड के एरिया में जो कि ऑब्वियसली आपके हाथ से ढका रहेगा वहां पे इन्होंने प्लेन कपड़ा डाला है. सो वेरी थॉटफुल ऑफ देम. दिस इज हाउ this looks and it's so pretty. I'll just go try it on and be back. This is how the corset looks like after putting it on and I just love it. Moment of silence for this corset and how pretty this looks. Like the sleeve, the lace detailing on the neck, the print, the angels, whoever they are. I think they are angels. Yeah. I think there are angels on my corset. I just love all of it. Like every bit of this corset is what I love. I am so much pleased by the quality that they have made the corsets in. क्योंकि मेरे को usually corsets fit आने में बहुत problem होता है कहीं का भी. And Leah Clothing has nailed it. I'll definitely order more corsets from them because मैंने देखा है there are Bridgerton styled corsets. There are a lot of like cute clothes like dresses also on their website. they are a bit expensive, I would say, but then I mean, one or two you can buy it. So this is this brand called Sell Cow. If you don't know, they उनकी website पे I think the most trending piece is their summer dresses. That's where I got like 2 summer dresses from. एक तो I had ordered last year only, which I have already tried also in one of my videos. I'll put the link down in the description. So this is the first dress. It's like in this very cute butter yellow color. And I think सबको पता है कि आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा trend में है ये color. And नीचे से ना इन्होंने ऐसा slit दिया हुआ है. And see, this is what I was talking about. So this is the dress that I got for like 2500, and the white one from Little Box I got it for 1800, right? But for 2500 also they have done such an amazing work. Like इनका कपड़ा जो है अंदर से भी इन्होंने एक और लेयर लगाया है ताकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा पतला ना लगे and still gives you like a shape. Like despite the fact that it is definitely lightweight and everything, still they have put an effort. You can see कि ये जो थ्रेड वाला भी एरिया है, लाइक आगे का सिंच करने वाला भी एरिया है, दैट इज ऑल्सो रियली नाइस. लाइक लेंथ वगैरह एंड काफ़ी अच्छे से इन्होंने बनाया हुआ है, लाइक अच्छे से बना हुआ है. लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन दिस टू यू गाइज, बट ये जो थ्रेड होता है ना जिससे आप सिंच करते हो वो भी अच्छे से बना होना चाहिए. लाइक इट्स नॉट कि तुम कुछ भी डाल दोगे, एंड दैट्स नॉट गुड. लाइक 1800 के लिए अगर वो 99 या 999 या फिर 1000 रुपये का होता तो आई वुडंट हैव कंप्लेन फॉर द प्राइस. इट्स ओके, राइट? बट दैट्स ऑल्सो फॉर 2K ऑलमोस्ट. सो आई थिंक दे शुड रियली वर्क ऑन दैट. But I'll put a picture. अभी recently I wore it to like the Ed Sheeran concert. I'll put a picture here somewhere of when I wore it. So I really like the dress. काफ़ी अच्छा length भी है and it's very modest. You can wear it गर्मी के time पे and it would look like super cute, I feel like. So for the last piece of this haul, I have a very cute black मिनी सन ड्रेस. सो मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. आई थिंक ब्लैक कलर का छोटा सा, एंड इट्स वेरी लाइक इसमें कुछ भी कॉर्सेट वाला मटेरियल नहीं है. मेरे पास आई थिंक ज़ारा से एक इस टाइप का ड्रेस है, बट दैट हैज़ अ कॉर्सेट मटेरियल जो कि उतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं होता है लाइक हमेशा पहनने के लिए. सो एज आई वॉज टेलिंग यू गाइज, this is the dress that I ordered this year. I'll go try it on for you guys and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. I'm back after putting on my dress and I think it looks really cute. I think I'm trying this also for the first time only. So yeah, this is how it is looking. I really like it. I feel like it's not that revealing and it's very perfect for summers also. थोड़ा सा short है from what I would personally like, but I think that's okay क्योंकि if you wear a shorts and then underneath you will be fine to go. You'll be good to go. So yeah, I think it's really pretty, really comfortable, everything, and काफ़ी प्यारा सा cotton material. It's not that thin. It's very stretchable. Like it's cotton, it's pure cotton, but हल्का सा thick, and it's not that thick कि तुमको गर्मी लगे, but it's perfect, you know, in between वाला thickness, and then it's also a bit stretchable. मेरे को नहीं पता उस fabric को exactly क्या बोलते हैं, but yeah, that's the fabric that it is made of, which I feel like it's really perfect. So yeah, that's how it looks on. And और तो क्या ही बोलूँ, I think this brand definitely gets a thumbs up. If you are on a lookout for sundresses, definitely check this brand out. And yeah, so I forgot talking about one more brand that I shopped. I just realized it while I was editing this video. So I also got one dress from Frickins. There's this brand called Frickins जो कि वहाँ जहाँ पे बहुत सारा jeans for every body, Indian body type especially वो लोग बनाते हैं. I haven't personally given a try to their jeans, but I did order a dress जो कि हम काफ़ी टाइम से देख रहे थे, and it was constantly out of stock. So I'm talking about this red beautiful dress. So it is in a satin material and ये stretchable भी है, but it is fairly thin. It's not that thick, but it does look good on me. I don't know how. This is like in a skater skirt kind of a design. Like ऐसे करके आता है A-line shape में मेरे body पे, and I think it was looking really great on me. I'll pop up some pictures of when I wore this dress. While I was traveling. It is so pretty. I feel like काफ़ी अच्छा सा shine आता है इस ड्रेस में, and I had nothing as such like this. So yeah, that's what I got. But हाँ, इसका length थोड़ा short है. Although this costed me for just $799, which is very okay for a dress. So with that, we are towards the end of the video, and I think I have shown you, I think 6 or 7 brands, Indian brands. If you want to shop, you can definitely shop from these brands instead of from Zara and H&M, which are like fast fashion brands, and that's what I have been trying to do as well, and that is the reason also that I've ordered from these brands to begin with. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know if you would like me to try more such Indian brands, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.